Hi, I'm your host Paul, and you're watching Shoot Your Shot TV. Today we got a brand new episode, but before we jump into that, just want to give a quick shout out to you guys, the viewers, the subscribers. We appreciate all the engagement and the comments you've been leaving on our videos, all the likes. You guys keep rocking with us, and we're going to keep putting out content. Also want to shout out our affiliates, Good Rat, Ugly, and the Game Ball podcast. Make sure you click the links below and check out their pod. Also want to shout out the homies Jay Otis, Slimy Squad, all the homies that have been supporting us. We appreciate you guys. But today we're going to change gears, switch it up, do something a little bit different. Today we got the Crocs Real Tree Camo collab. Can't wait to try these on. Some Crocs, man. We got them in hand, ready to review. It's Shoot Your Shot TV, Shoot Your Shot Records. Hey! Can you see him? Shoot Your Shot TV, take 2. You guys are probably wondering why we're reviewing a pair of Crocs on today's episode. Quite simply, I've just been in the market for some new house shoes, some new slippers, something to take out the trash in. Lately, the slides haven't been cutting it for me. I've been wearing my Adidas slides, started to fall apart. Nike slides were cool, but after a while, they start to lose the comfort. I heard a lot of good things about Crocs. I know they're loved by chefs in the kitchen, give them good grip while they're running back there preparing people's foods. I don't know if nurses still wear them, but I remember at one time, a lot of nurses were recommending the Crocs, saying that they're very comfortable, you could be on your feet all day. And I just had to see for myself. Checked out some of the colorways, saw they did a tree camo colorway, and they collabed with the brand Real Tree Camo, and that's a no-brainer. I love this pattern. I had to go and pick up the tree camo colorway. I don't know exactly what they're made out of. Crocs doesn't really give up the secret ingredients, kind of like Mr. Krabs keeping the secret ingredient of his Krabby Patties, and pretty sure Crocs has a lot of competitors like Plankton trying to steal the recipe on how to make one of the most popular shoes in the last decade. So I picked up this pair at Dick's Sporting Goods. I want to wear them, but before I wear them, I wanted to review them for you guys, let you know how I feel about Crocs. So let's go ahead and take a look at the shoes. So here they are, a pair of Crocs in that Real Tree Camo colorway. Right off the bat, the shoe's very lightweight. Looking at the bottom of the sole, you have nice traction here so you don't slip at the workplace, you don't slip when you're doing dishes at the house or taking out the trash. You're not gonna need Life Alert. On the toe box here, you have all this perforated holes for a lot of ventilation, straight air conditioning for your feet. You have grip on the inside of the shoe so you can wear it with or without socks. You have this little strap right here. You can rock it like this for easy access, but when you drop the top, that means you're ready for some action. It's gonna help keep your foot in place so you can do more activities. This shoe, I'm really digging the pattern here. I'm digging the fact that they're super light, and I can't wait to put them on and feel how comfortable they are, because everyone's told me that Crocs are super comfortable, and I like cozy, I like comfort. So let's go ahead and try these on. So that was our signature on-foot look. I don't know if you guys had trouble seeing because of the Real Tree Camo and all. These are pretty comfortable, very lightweight. With my other slides, they're very stiff. They do like a flapping thing when you walk, but these right here, they kind of stay on foot. And like I said, when you drop the top, you're ready for some action and you can just keep your foot in place. Come home from a long day of work, just take off the Yeezys, throw on some Crocs. I really like the minimal branding. They're not too flashy, not too cloudy. You see the Crocs hit on the back of the strap. You got these little alligators right here to hold the strap in place. They do have a cloudy version. I think Post Malone did a collab with them and had like the barbed wire on them, but if you're not trying to be too cloudy with your Crocs, you can pick up a array of colors. They have black, white, red, tie-dye, and Real Tree Camo. This is probably my favorite out of the colors that they do have. As far as price point, I'll probably give it a 5 out of 5. You're getting a lot of value, a lot of comfort for 40 bucks. Style, I'm gonna have to give it a 3 out of 5. It's kind of wide. It makes your foot look kind of like a platypus foot or a platypus duckbill. I don't know what I'm even talking about right now. It's not the most stylish slipper or the most stylish slide, but I do feel like it does its job. So style, give it a 3 out of 5. As far as comfort, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. Very comfortable, like people said. And if it's good enough for chefs, nurses, doctors and surgeons, dentists, it's good enough for me. That's gonna go ahead and give it a 13 out of 15 on our rating system. And I do recommend that you guys go half size down. They don't do half sizes. It was either a 9 or a 10. The 10 felt a little bit too big. I had a lot of extra room right here in the front, but the 9 fits just perfect with a little bit of extra room. Yeah, go ahead and pick you up some Crocs. You won't be disappointed. This is a perfect shoe for the house. Even if you want to just run some quick errands, you don't care, go ahead and throw these on. I'm definitely gonna rock them with socks. I don't want to go full savage mode, but I'm definitely rocking my Crocs with socks. But that's our episode for today. Let us know what you guys think about Crocs in the comments below, or if you have a special house slipper that you wear all the time, feel free to share. We like to hear from you guys. But thanks for rocking with us. It's Shoot Your Shot TV, Shoot Your Shot Records, some Crocs. Crocs! Hey.